Hello students, today we are going to read the first chapter of the supplementary reader Footprints Without Feet. This is the name of our supplementary reader book, and A Trump of Surgery is the first chapter we are going to start. This is the story of a small dog named Tricky. It is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Pampered means loved very much, and overfed means she fed more than needed. He falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation, or does the dog recover? So, these are the questions at the very beginning. It raises the curiosity of the readers. So, let's begin the chapter. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I is used for the writer. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. So writer says that when I saw that dog and its mistress in the market in the street, so I was very much worried about Tricky, the dog. And when I saw him, so his appearance, by his appearance, I was completely shocked. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage. Bloated means फूला हुआ, swollen. Sausage, that is कीमा, or मीट, मीट का कोई डिश होती होगी that is very used for fat things. Okay, so he compared the dog with the blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. मीन्स जैसे कोई ब्लॉटेड सॉसेज हो जिसके चारों कॉर्नर पे लेग्स लगी हो, इतना मोटा वो लग रहा था। कौन? ट्रिकी। हिज आईज ब्लड शॉट एंड रूमी। रूमी मीन्स वाटरी, फुल ऑफ वाटर, से हम कहते हैं आंखों में नमी होना। ब्लड शॉट मीन्स हैविंग रेड कलर, तो उसकी आईज जो हैं ट्रिकी की वो रेड लग रही थी, आंखों में नमी थी। stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Lulled means लटकी हुई होना, जॉ JAW, जॉ मीन्स जबड़े। तो उसकी जो टंग है वो बाहर निकली हुई थी, उसकी आंखों में नमी थी, आंखें रेड हो रही थी। सो दिस वॉज द कंडीशन ऑफ ट्रिकी। Mrs. Pomfrey hastened to explain. Mrs. Pomfrey is the same lady, mistress of that dog. Mrs. Pomfrey hastened means hurried, जल्दबाजी में explain करना, explained, or hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet. Now Mr. Harriet is the writer. I जिसके लिए यूज हो रहा है, that is Mr. Harriet. He was so listless. He is used for the tricky, the dog. So listless means without any movement, lacking energy, enthusiasm, निरुत्साह, निर्जीव जिसे कहते हैं. So she says, he was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. Now she explained that from last many days he had been without any energy. He is completely listless, so I am giving him some extra things. She explained also that कॉड लिवर ऑयल मीन्स एक तरह की मछली का तेल होता है, दैट इज माल्ट सूप जो होता है, दैट इज हॉर्लिक्स, सो दैट ही कैन स्लीप इजीली एट नाइट। एंड एट लास्ट ही सेज नथिंग मच रियली, मीन्स ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, केवल थोड़ा बहुत ये चीज़ें दे रही हूँ, अब उसके जो मेन जो मील्स हैं उसके अलावा। एंड डिड यू कट डाउन ऑन द स्वीट थिंग्स एज आई टोल्ड यू? सो राइटर सेज, Mr. Harriet says, and did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? That earlier I told you not to feed him the sweet things. So have you cut down? या कमी करी है? Or I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. She said, no, I have not. For some times or for some days I cut down, but he became so weak. That's why I again started, and he likes cakes and chocolates, so I cannot refuse him because she was a very rich lady. Okay. I looked down again at the little dog. That was a trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. Underline it if you can. That his only fault was greed. Means he was very greedy. Whatever was given to him to eat, he he would eat. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Now, he says many things she mentioned, but the writer was thinking about many things. She could feed, she could give to that tricky, and that had not been mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little box with me, as you can see, but Hawking, the gardener, underline it, Hawking is the name of that gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago is a kind of disease, कमर दर्द जिसे कहते हैं. So there has been no ring throwing lately. Ring throwing is the game of throwing ring. Means in this game, people or that gardener used to throw the ring in the garden, and the dog ran, or the dog runs to catch that ring throwing. Okay, so she says that only walking, he walks only little, otherwise because the gardener is ill, that's why the ring throwing game has also been stopped. As you can see the picture of Mrs. Pumphrey, the doctor, writer, and the dog. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. He suggested, because he was a veterinary doctor, so he suggested that now this is the high time, this is the exact time you should stop all such things, overfed him, and you should keep him on a very strict diet, otherwise he will surely be severe or be serious. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I'm sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down, along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Means now she seemed completely determined. ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब वो completely determined है उसको पूरी तरह से डाइट फॉलो करवाने में, उस डॉग को पूरी तरह से. हालांकि शी सेड कि ये काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट है, बट स्टिल शी सीम्ड कम्प्लीटली डिटरमाइंड. आई वॉच्ड देयर progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. Tweed coat means जो ऊनी कोट उसने पहन रखा था. देखिए द डॉग, ट्रिकी जो डॉग है उसने काफ़ी अच्छा कॉट पहन रखा है. एंड हियर द राइटर मेंशंस that he had a whole wardrobe of such coats for a cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. Means he even have a raincoat also. He struggled on, dropping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey, and very soon he realized that very soon again he would heard from Mrs. Pumphrey, and the expected call came within a few days because the same thing was expected by the writer, by that veterinary doctor. So one day or within a few days, Mrs. Pumphrey called him, and Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught. Distraught means pareshan hona. Tricky would eat nothing, refuse even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. Means now he was not at all eating. That Tricky was not at all eating anything, and he refused his favorite food also. And he was vomiting कर रहा था, उसको vomit कर रहा था. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting means PANTing, panting means हाफना, हाफते हुए. Didn't want to go for walk, didn't want to do anything. Means now he was ill. That dog was completely ill. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 2 weeks, 14 days, to be kept under observation. Then doctor suggested or prescribed that lady for the dog to be admitted or to be hospitalized in about for about a fortnight or almost for 14 or 15 days. Okay, under the doctor's observation. The poor lady almost swooned. swooned means बेहोश हो जाना, मूर्छित हो जाना. And she was sure that he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. And doctor made her realize that, and she also knew this thing, that if he will not be treated properly he would surely die. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. And followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. Wailings means sadness, vilap karna. I marched out to the car carrying that the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So the writer says that I wrapped that dog in blanket and left that place, left that lady wailing, or she became very sad at that time. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowls, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Now it was very sad kind of scene, he explained, that when I was taking that Tricky to the hospital, to the clinic, so that scene was very, very grieved. Everything, everybody was in tears, whether the servants, maids of that house, because she was a very rich lady. So she herself was very much distressed, very much sad, and they all were collecting all the things related to that dog, whether the clothes, coats, the bowls, lunch bowls, supper bowl, breakfast bowl, everything, the things related to that dog were collected and thrown in the car. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said. Lad here means Lead is used for boy. I said you haven't a kick in you, but I know a cure for you. Kick here means the power. So writer was taking that tricky to the hospital, to the clinic, and at the same time in his car he was sitting beside him. So he looked towards that tricky and thought that what a bad condition you have, but I know what to do with you. Surgery means at the hospital or the clinic. The household dogs surged around me. The household dogs means there were many dogs available already there. So they got collected around me, around that writer. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Pack means group of the dogs with dull eyes, and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. Now he was very weak. He couldn't move at all. He was very ill. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. They sniffed. The other dogs were expecting that the tricky would play with them, but it was not so. So they sniffed, and after that, when he showed no kind of interest, they also ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. Now his cure was started. So first of all, he did not, for the 2 days, he did not give anything to eat, only water to drink. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Now, for 2 days, he didn't show any kind of interest, but in the evening of the third day, sorry, on the second day, okay, he started showing some kind of interest, and he showed some kind of interest and begin to whimper. Whimper means थोड़ा ठिनकना या थोड़ा गुर्राना, इस तरह से he also started that thing when he heard the dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Now Tricky also went with a dog. Greyhound was there, and its name was Joe. So he inspected Tricky completely, and Tricky also trotted out. Trotted out means धीरे धीरे बाहर की तरफ दौड़ना. So he also went towards that. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. They went towards the gardener, and Tricky also followed them, rolling slightly. Rolling means लुढ़कते हुए, not in that sense लुढ़कते हुए means धीरे धीरे चलते हुए, क्योंकि वो इतना फैटी था कि इतना मोटा हो गया था कि he could not run. So that rolling word has come here, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowl. Tristan उसका कुक था जो उन सभी डॉग्स के लिए खाना पकाता था और सर्व करता था. सो ही सेज दैट एट दैट टाइम आई वाज आल्सो प्रेजेंट एट द फीडिंग टाइम. आई वॉच्ड while that cook slopped the food into the bowls, means he served the food into bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Here means now each dog ran very quickly, very fast towards the food, and every dog knew this thing, that if he fails to eat very fast, then at the end time, or at the final or the last part of the meal, he had to struggle. Okay, because जो पहले खा लेगा वो जिसका बचा हुआ खाना है उसकी तरफ भी दौड़ेगा, उसका हिस्से का खाना भी खाएगा। दैट्स वाई एट द एंड टाइम लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ हिज मील ही हैड टू struggle